Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So first let's clean you off. Let's try some more. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today's video was definitely not planned. It was one of those things of I was on the way home from work and a battery light came on the RSX, and I pulled over and I checked the battery terminals on, and those were tight. There's no corrosion on them. So then I put a voltmeter on it to check. With it turned off, battery's good and charged. Turned it on, ran the car, checked it, and it would go 11.25 and then drop down to like 1 or 2, and then back up to 11.25, and then 1 or 2. And 6 and 11.25. So anyways, you catch the drift. So I'm pretty sure the alternator's on its way out. So that's what we're going to do today, is replace the alternator. Once again, this wasn't planned. So you know, life happens and things aren't planned. So I guess we're going to go ahead and do that. One reason I think I'm going to take this bumper off is make it a little easier to possibly get to a bolt or two for the alternator and power steering and all that stuff. So alright, so once again I've got the GoPro on, hopefully give you all 2 different angles. And like I said, this video wasn't planned. I'm sure the GoPro or the big camera will die before I get done. I think I've got another GoPro battery, but big camera, no. But fog lights. A good old fog lights. Here we go. I see this one flashing around a lot. I need to see if I can find a better way to secure that thing in there. Because right now she just bounces. So this is pretty much going to go like the video you've watched of me moving the power steering pump and the alternator to get to my water pump. Let's put a new water pump in. I trust the 15 on this. And either this thing was on here really loose, or I'm going the opposite direction of what it needs to be going. There ain't no way this thing sit that loose. Feels like it's tightening, but then at the same time it doesn't. I think this shit's stripped. No, there it goes. No, it didn't loosen. I think the bolt's stripped. Alright, well that's out. Let's undo this. Can't lose that 10mm, y'all. Need that 10. And yes, it's a bad habit to put your stuff up on the what you call it, the apron up here, like your tools and everything, because you lose them very quickly. It's how you lose a lot of your tins that, you know, people tend to not be able to find. But I don't really have a tool cart per se. Let's undo this one too. Now I can't remember when I undid when I went to do the water pump, if I you know, that might only be an important ground to the engine. It's been undone. I'm assuming it goes somewhere like there. Fix that later. Power steering fluid shit's annoying. Alright, so you can't either pull it up because it's hanging on stuff, or you can't pull it, take it down because it hangs on stuff. Pick away, you stupid belt. There, just like that. That's good. She's not out yet, guys and girls. Okay, let's find out what's going on with this bolt here. Yeah, stripped out. It's just some I think I had removed this
No, I didn't remove this because that's... I don't remember what I did. I don't feel like it. I remember this thing being this cramped. So, why are Hondas always so crammed on one side and not on the other side? Actually, why are any cars like that? You know, just so y'all know, I have like an hour recording time on this thing. And I feel like I'm going to use it all. You can't rotate it. You can't do nothing with it. It's just stuck in that stupid position because the wire's down here.
I put it in the freezer. Fucking is long enough, apparently. I bought that like 2 years ago. Ah, why do you keep doing it? It smells like a cat piss in my mouth. God damn.
The shit that I get, just so y'all know. All right, what in the absolute shit are you hung on? You're hung one way or you're hung the other way. You can't just get feasibility of working on some of these cars is just stupid. Like I can't even get to cut the wire or the zip tie back there to give more room off the wire. Can't fucking undo this. And let's try. Giving ourselves a little bit of room down here. Got that off. Now maybe that gives us a little bit of leeway to twist this thing. I'm sure that some of y'all have done this before, and you're gonna tell me, hey, you're an idiot. You should have just done this. And you're gonna be like, yeah, you're right, I should have. But as of right now, I can't figure anything else out. So finally that. Okay, anybody know what that is? 14? Probably 14 or 12. And what we got here? A 15. So here's the 14. Let's check it. I bet I drop it. Can't get the cap off now. Alright. Looks like a 12. Now, I had it turned every other way I want it. Finally, but I'm curious if this bitch will cooperate, and it doesn't seem that it's going to. Does anybody remember why they like working on cars? Engineers. Hey, let me stick this here. It will work well, very well. It will allow me to charge bunch of money. Like they're Russian or something. Now, problem is, I don't have fucking enough leverage. I can only imagine how this is going to have to go back in. Now I won't doubt that I have a hard time putting this cap back on here. This little rubber boot, you know, this whole time it's been in my way, and now it's gonna be a pain to get back on, I bet. Oh, so it's almost 10 because my brother just left, which really puts it at 35, something like that, 9:40, basically 10 anyways. And I still gotta put everything back together, feed the dogs, and cook me some food because I've yet to eat tonight, or just go grab some, which is possible too. But you know, biggest question is this pulley, because I don't really have a way to get it just enough to where I can get the, I don't have a way to be able to get enough slack. I'm assuming my music stopped. I had it turned down low so y'all couldn't hear it. So, you know, YouTube doesn't get all mad. But at least I was still listening to it. But I think it stopped. YouTube still got mad and asked me if I'm watching, and I'm not going to keep going over there and hitting yes. So it plays today's hits, which is Justin Bieber.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up.